Hello all, I am Junaidh Ahamed from second year of M.Sc Software Systems, and today I am here to make your time informatively useful. Yes, today I am going to make you guys aware of trendy technology that is nothing but Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the name of best known cryptocurrency, the one of which the blockchain technology was invented. A cryptocurrency is a medium of exchange such as the US dollar, but is digital and uses encryption techniques to control the creation of monetary units and to verify the transfer of funds. The key things to understand here is that Bitcoin merely uses blockchain as a means to transparently record a ledger of payments. But blockchain can, in theory, be used to immutably record any number of data points. One key difference between a typical database and a blockchain is how the data is structured. A blockchain collects information together in groups known as blocks that holds a set of information. Blocks have certain storage capacities and when filled are closed and linked to the previously filled blocks, forming a chain of data known as blockchain. All new information that follows the freshly added block is compiled into a newly formed block that will then also be added to a chain once filled. Practical ways to make money with Bitcoin in 2022. Buy and hold Bitcoins like shares, earn interest on your crypto, earn Bitcoin cashback on credits and card purchases, join affiliated marketing programs, accept Bitcoin payments for your products and services, take advantages of Bitcoin faucets, look for micro jobs and pay to click websites, get tips in BTC, which means Bitcoin currency, monetize your website, lend fraction of Bitcoin, and trade Bitcoin. If you guys have doubt that if Bitcoins are real money, then Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency that you can buy, sell, and exchange directly without an intermediate like bank. Bitcoin's creator Satoshi Nakamoto originally described that the need for an electronic payment system based on cryptography proof instead of trust. Okay, hope you guys are all benefited about cryptocurrency and you are aware of it. Thank you for your time.